Bukit Nanas Forest Reserve, now called as KL Forest Eco Park, is a small patch of rainforest located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. It covers an area of 9.3 hectares. It was originally gazetted as a forest reserve way back in 1906, with a land area of 17.5 hectares, but since then, a large part has already been taken up for KL Towers building and other purposes. Formerly known as Bukit Weld Forest Reserve, Bukit Nanas is one of 4 permanent forest reserve areas in Kuala Lumpur, and is now among the oldest permanent forest reserve in Peninsular Malaysia. There are 223 tree species have been recorded along with 12 animal species including snake, cats, and monkeys. 18 out of the 25 bird species available in Bukit Nanas are protected under the Wildlife Conservation Act 2010. The forest is the only native forest with the status of virgin forest that still exists in the middle of the city, not only Kuala Lumpur, but possibly in the whole wide world. The most significant development in Bukit Nanas is the construction of KL Tower, the 7th tallest telecommunication tower in the world. When constructing the KL Tower, the builders took special care to construct a retaining wall around a 100-year-old gelatong tree. In one occasion, the tower was moved at a cost 430,000 ringgit to avoid harming the monumental tree. Bukit Nanas's unique attraction as a forest in the middle of the city helps in boosting national economy, especially through tourism. The botanists have recorded native vulnerable species according to IUCN Red List such as Meranti Batu, Cempaka Hutan, and Napus culet. The availability of these species increases the value of Bukit Nanas as tourism spot. It provides concrete reasons for the authority to keep the place preserved for economy cash flow. Aligned with the effort to preserve this lowland diptera cup, the forest has been rebranded as Tamaniko Rimba Kuala Lumpur, and been categorized as bird sanctuary in line with enactment Perlindungan Binatang Dan Berung Lai 1925. The forest has been provided with the availability of canopy walk for visitors to enjoy the nature from high level. In 2015, Kuala Lumpur City Hall has spent 15.3 million ringgit to strengthen the slope of Bukit Nanas Reserve Forest. As in 2019, DBKL has announced their plan to buy a plot of private land measured at 0.27 hectare at the foot of Bukit Nanas. This is due to the private owner's application to develop the area, and this deal will deter the development, and help in preserving the forest as Kuala Lumpur's green lung. Bukit Nanas holds a strong role in regulating the temperature of the nearby areas. This helps in keeping the thermal comfort nearby to it cooler and better than the other parts of the city. This impressive landscape is formed by 750 meters carving of the Mbak River over thousands of years. Though Mbak Canyon is not as majestic as Grand Canyon, it has dense forest that is over 100 million years old. As a pristine natural forest, ICCA also plays an important role as part of the vital wildlife corridor and landscape connectivity, connecting Anam Valley and Maleo Basin conservation areas for major mammals, apart from serving as a water catchment for Sabah's longest river system of Kinabatamkan River. Since being gazetted as a Class 1 protection forest reserve by the state government back in 2009, the ICCA has come a long way, and has reinvented itself as one of Sabah's most promising tourism products, and emerging as a major destination for scientists and students.